Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to find and view blue screen logs files in the event viewer on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. So when blue screens acquire Windows displays as details for a short time period on the screen, it will also logs them in the event viewer guys. I show you guys how to locate those files. For that, go to search menu and type event viewer, open it. Click on action tab, select create custom view. Click on action tab, select create custom view. Wait for it. In logged, you just need to select logged specifically when you are looking for the blue screen error message. Just want to select it anytime or anything like that. Event level, you just want to check mark the error, and by log event logs, you just want to select the arrow mark and select Windows logs and select outside anything like this symbol, and we just selected that. And that's after that click OK guys. Name this as whatever you want, but I'm gonna name it this system error blue screen. Click OK and it will be opens up. Now you can arrange all these entries alphabetically by selecting level by appearing and other error message listed over here guys. And that's all you have to do it guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video.